Let's be honest, making $1,000 a day online sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you it's achievable and, more importantly, sustainable? That's the power of affiliate marketing. Imagine this: you promote a product you love, someone buys it through your unique link, and boom, you earn a commission. No inventory, no customer service, just pure profit. Now, I'm not promising overnight riches. It takes effort, strategy, and a bit of patience. But by building a system that works for you, even while you sleep, you can turn this dream into your reality. Over the next few sections, I'm going to break down my proven blueprint, step by step, so you can start building your own online income stream. Are you ready to dive in? Before you start promoting anything, you need to figure out who you're talking to and what they need. This is where your niche comes in. Think of it like a laser beam versus a light bulb. A light bulb shines everywhere, but a laser beam is focused and powerful. Your niche is your laser beam. Some popular niches include health and wellness, personal finance, relationships, and self-improvement. But don't just pick something because it's hot. Choose something you're passionate about. Why? Because your passion will shine through in your content, making it more engaging and authentic. Plus, you'll actually enjoy what you're doing, and that makes all the difference. You've got the niche, you've got the product, now how do you actually get paid? Don't worry, it's simpler than you think. The most common methods are PayPal and direct bank transfers. PayPal is beginner-friendly and widely accepted, while bank transfers offer a more traditional approach. If you don't have a bank account, don't fret. There are alternative platforms available that allow you to receive payments and even withdraw funds to your preferred method. The key is to research your options and choose what works best for you. Once your payment system is set up, you're ready to start earning those sweet commissions. Now it's time to find those golden affiliate links. Think of these links as your secret weapon, tracking every sale you make and ensuring you get credit for it. There are a few different routes you can take. Affiliate networks. These act like middlemen, connecting you with a vast database of products and brands. Some popular options include Impact.com, Share a Sale, and CJ Affiliate. Direct affiliate programs. Many companies, especially big names like Amazon, have their own in-house affiliate programs. Just head to their website and look for a link at the bottom of the page. Niche-specific marketplaces. These platforms specialize in certain industries, like health and fitness or digital products. ClickBank and JVZoo are two popular examples. When choosing an affiliate program, pay attention to commission rates, cookie duration, how long the tracking lasts, and most importantly, the quality of the product. You want to promote something you genuinely believe in. Here's the thing, you can have the best product in the world, but it won't matter if nobody knows about it. That's why traffic generation is crucial. Now, forget about those get-rich-quick schemes. We're focusing on building a sustainable, long-term strategy through organic traffic. Think of it like this. This is all about making your website or content appear higher in search engine results. By using relevant keywords and creating high-quality content, you can attract visitors actively searching for what you offer. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok are gold mines for reaching your target audience. Create engaging content, interact with your followers, and watch your community grow. Remember, consistency is key. Regularly posting valuable content will establish you as an authority in your niche and keep people coming back for more. Email marketing might seem old school, but trust me, it's still one of the most powerful tools in your arsenal. Why? Because it allows you to build direct relationships with your audience. Imagine this, someone visits your website, loves your content, and signs up for your email list. Now you have a direct line to their inbox, where you can share valuable information, exclusive deals, and personalized recommendations. Here's how to make the most of it. This could be a free ebook, checklist, or video series that provides value in exchange for their email address. Group subscribers based on their interests so you can send targeted emails that resonate with them. Don't just bombard them with sales pitches. Provide valuable content that builds trust and positions you as an expert. Remember, your email list is your gold mine. Treat it with care, and it will reward you with loyal customers for years to come. In the world of online marketing, content is king. Whether it's blog posts, videos, social media updates, or emails, your content is what will attract, engage, and ultimately convert your audience. But creating high-quality content doesn't have to be daunting. There are tons of amazing tools out there to help you. If you're creating video content, which I highly recommend, you'll need a good editing software. Final Cut Pro is a popular choice for Mac users, while Filmora is a more budget-friendly option. Platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels are all the rage, and for good reason. They're a great way to connect with a wider audience. InShot and CapCut are user-friendly apps perfect for creating eye-catching short videos. Canva is a lifesaver for creating professional-looking graphics, even if you have zero design experience. With its drag-and-drop interface and vast library of templates, you can easily create stunning visuals for your website, social media, and more. Remember, the key is to create content that is valuable, engaging, and relevant to your target audience. With the right tools and a little creativity, you can become a master storyteller and captivate your audience. Section 8. Working smarter, not harder. Automating your success. As your online business grows, so will your workload. But that doesn't mean you have to be chained to your computer 24/7. The key is to work smarter, not harder, by automating as much as possible. Here are a few areas where automation can save you time and headaches. Email marketing. Remember those email sequences we talked about? You can set those up to run automatically, sending out targeted messages to your subscribers based on their behavior. Social media scheduling. Instead of manually posting to social media throughout the day, schedule your posts in advance using tools like Buffer or Hootsuite. Website analytics. Tracking your website's performance is crucial, but it can also be time-consuming. Use tools like Google Analytics to automate the process and get detailed insights into your traffic, conversions, and more. By automating these repetitive tasks, you'll free up more time to focus on the bigger picture, like strategy, content creation, and growing your business. Section 9. Scaling up from side hustle to online empire. Congratulations, you've built a solid foundation for your online business. Now it's time to scale up and turn it into a true passive income machine. Here are a few strategies to take your business to the next level. Paid advertising. While organic traffic is fantastic, paid advertising can give you a significant boost, especially once you have a proven offer. Platforms like Facebook ads and Google ads allow you to target your ideal audience with laser precision. Joint ventures and partnerships. Collaborating with other businesses in your niche can expose your brand to a whole new audience. Look for opportunities to partner on webinars, guest blog posts, or product bundles. Outsourcing. As your business grows, you'll reach a point where you can't do everything yourself. That's when it's time to start outsourcing tasks to virtual assistants or freelancers. This will free up your time and allow you to focus on high-level strategy. Remember, scaling up is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't be afraid to experiment, track your results, and adjust your strategies as needed. Section 10. Staying ahead of the curve. Adapting to the ever-changing digital world. The online world is constantly evolving, which can be both exciting and daunting. What works today might not work tomorrow, so it's crucial to stay ahead of the curve and adapt to the ever-changing landscape. Here are a few tips to keep you on top of your game. Never stop learning. The moment you stop learning is the moment you fall behind. Stay up to date on the latest trends, strategies, and technologies by reading industry blogs, listening to podcasts, and attending webinars. Embrace new platforms. Don't be afraid to experiment with new platforms and technologies. What seems like a fad today could be the next big thing tomorrow. Listen to your audience. Your audience is your greatest asset. Pay attention to their feedback, questions, and challenges. This will help you create content and products that truly resonate with them. Remember, the only constant in the online world is change. By embracing a growth mindset and staying adaptable, you'll be well equipped to navigate the ever-evolving digital landscape. Section 11. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. So there you have it, my proven blueprint for making $1,000 a day online through affiliate marketing. Now, it's time to take action. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and a willingness to learn and adapt. But by following the steps outlined in this guide, you'll be well on your way to building a sustainable passive income stream and achieving the financial freedom you deserve. Are you ready to start your journey? The time is now.